In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify 2.0 templates to create different layouts for your product pages. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can customize your product pages and make them stand out. To begin, you'll want to open up the site editor within Shopify. You'll notice the page name listed at the top of the editor. Go ahead and click on that name, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down, select the Products option. This is where we start creating our unique template. Click on Create Template, which will allow you to design a new look for your product pages. Now that your template creation journey has commenced, it's time to name your new template. Giving a logical, memorable name helps in managing your templates efficiently down the road. Then, you'll be asked to select a base template for your product page. Think of this as a starting point to build from. Choose one that aligns closely with your vision for the product page. Once you've created your new template, you will be taken directly to the editing screen. This is where the creative magic happens. You can start making your changes to this template, perhaps adding unique layouts, colors, or content blocks to distinguish it from your other product pages. Remember, the idea here is to customize the page to suit the particular needs or theme of specific products while maintaining a cohesive look across your store. Once you're satisfied with the changes, don't forget to hit the Save button to ensure all your hard work is not lost. The next step is to navigate to your Shopify admin panel, which serves as the command center for all your store's operations. On the left panel of the admin dashboard, find and click on Products. This will bring up a list of all the products in your store. Select the product that you want to assign your brand new custom product page template to. Once you've chosen a product, look over to the right side of the screen. Here, you'll find a section labeled Theme Template. This is where you can assign your new template to your selected product. Simply click on this section to bring up the options and select your newly created product page template. And just like that, you've customized a product page with a brand new layout. This change will be reflected on your store, giving visitors a fresh and tailored experience. Keep in mind that you can apply this template to as many products as you'd like, giving you the flexibility to have different layouts for different items. This feature can provide a more personalized touch to your product offerings, enhancing your customers' shopping experiences. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can easily create and assign customized templates for your Shopify product pages, adding a unique flair to your online store.